Hello everyone and welcome to this Squarespace review, and you might be wondering if this is the easiest website builder to use. Well, stick around to the end of this video as we'll be explaining the features, the pricing, the pros and the cons, and at the end you'll be able to answer the question yourself. So yes, Squarespace is a popular website builder known for its sleek design and user-friendly platform. If you're looking to create a professional online presence, you've likely come across it. Now, starting with the features. Squarespace is built around a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to create visually appealing websites. They have a great library of professionally designed templates that are mobile responsive, ensuring your site looks great on any device. If you're into e-commerce, Squarespace provides robust tools for managing products, inventory, and online payments. Their blogging platform is also strong with features like scheduling, categories, and SEO optimization. Now, speaking of SEO, Squarespace includes built-in tools to help your site rank higher in search results. And you'll find integrations with various marketing and analytic platforms, thus allowing you to track your website's performance and manage your online presence effectively. Now, while the platform offers a lot, keep in mind that the App Store isn't as extensive as some competitors, so you might need to find workarounds for very specific functionalities. And now I would like to talk about the pricing. Squarespace has 4 premium plans, and it is more affordable in the long term and offers better value for money compared to its competitors. Its plans range from $16 to $52 per month if you're billed annually. The personal comes at $16 for simple sites like portfolios, and the business comes at $23 to start selling products and services. You also have the Commerce Basic at $28, and this removes transaction fees and lets you sell on socials. And if you're going higher with the Commerce, you have Commerce Advanced at $52. This provides advanced sales features like abandoned cart recovery. This is great for consumers like me who's never done with the cart. Now, if you're asking the question, does Squarespace have a free plan? Well, the answer is no. However, you can get started with this 14-day free trial instead before committing to any plan. So if you're going for that option, be sure to use your 14 days wisely so you can make the best decision on which plan to go with. Now, with any service, we have the pros and cons. A major pro is the stunning design and user-friendly interface. Squarespace makes it easy to create beautiful, professional-looking websites without needing coding skills. The built-in SEO tools and e-commerce capabilities are also strong points. On the flip side, with the cons, the pricing can be a drawback for those on a tight budget. The App Store is less extensive than some competitors, and customer support, while helpful, lacks phone support. So if you need immediate assistance, you're limited to email and live chat. Essentially, the pros are design, ease of use, and robust features, while the cons are price and limited app selection. In conclusion, Squarespace is an excellent choice for anyone prioritizing design and a user-friendly experience. It's ideal for creatives, small businesses, and e-commerce stores looking for a polished online presence. While it may be pricier than some alternatives, the quality and ease of use justify the cost for many users. So if you value a visually stunning website and don't mind the subscription fees, Squarespace is definitely worth considering. Remember to take advantage of the free trial to see if it meets your needs. At this point, we hope you've gotten enough information so you can make an informed decision on if Squarespace is the best option for you. And if you're wondering if this is the easiest website builder to use, we'd put Squarespace among the top options, but we'll leave that to you to make your choice. If you found this video helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.